How to start a handyman business. The on-demand business like handyman application is one of the booming and profitable business idea for an entrepreneur. Hi guys, I'm Ananya from Brew Labs, and in today's video I'm talking about how to start a handyman service business application. Well, using mobile application is getting popular among businesses and services providers, and when we consider mobile app-based handyman service, you will get to choose from an extensive network of experienced professionals and contractors ready to get the task done, which makes it very flexible and easy for the customers to get the work done. Now, let's look into how an on-demand handyman application works. An online handyman application is an online platform connecting the customers with the professional to do any kind of household work like plumbing, wiring, remodeling, cleaning, and much more. Next, let's look into what is the basic workflow of a handyman application. First comes the customer logs into the application by providing the necessary information. He or she is promoted by the application to add their exact location. Then the customer selects the type of services needed and the date and time of the service. The application displays accurate fare before booking the service. And then, if a customer is satisfied with the pricing, he or she can proceed further by completing the process. The professional will show up at the specific time at their location. So, now are you wondering that how to start a handyman service application? The on-demand handyman service needs a website or application and an experienced professional to back up your business. If you are about to build a handyman application, then you need to figure out and answer the following questions. What are latest features should be there to build an application? What can be the best technology that can be used? And what is the cost of development? Well, don't worry. If you don't have a clear idea about it, not everyone knows everything. And here we are going to see the answer to the above question. First is, what all features should be there to build a MVP? The three main users on an on-demand handyman application are the professionals who want to connect with the customer, the admin or the owner, and the customer. So, you have to build three different solutions with personalized features, functionalities for them like admin panel, handyman application, and a customer application. Talking about the admin panel, it is the master panel that controls all the main functionalities of an on-demand handyman application. The admin panel contains some unique set of features like booking management, manage customer and professionals, site management, cancellation details, manage notifications. Some of the other features that can be inculcated in the admin panel are earning report management, managing services, categories, analytics, and much more. And then comes the handyman application. Professionals who need to connect with the customers have a separate application to manage their process. They can use the application to share their services and provide and accept booking directly from the customer. Some of the features that are tailored to match the need of professionals are add or edit personal information, payout methods, service requests, earning reports, and then comes the customer application. The application of customers has several features to enhance the user experience. They can go through the service listed and book the service needed in the quick time. Now, let us discuss the features that you need to keep in your customer application. One-click sign-up, multiple service list, fare estimation, and payment option. Now, you have some feature ideas to build a minimal viable product for a handyman application. Now, it's time for us to move to the next question, which is, what is the best technology that can be used? Choosing the right technology is the most vital part of an on-demand handyman application development. Building your app with the right technology not only enhances the quality of your product, but it also helps you to stand out from your competitors. And the last question is cost to develop a handyman application. Well, the development cost of any application depends on the features and functionalities you choose for your application. Next, let's look into the factors influencing the cost of development, which are the features and functionalities, application platform, additional integration, designs, testing, and much more. And further, to avoid the complication and save time or go live early, the best way to start is to use a ready-to-use handyman app solution with an experienced app development company. And this is where Brew Labs can assist you with the best. We have built amazing products that are highly customizable to suit any on-demand business idea. This product has every necessary feature required to start an on-demand venture and all scopes to add any feature that you want on your application. Aren't you curious about the product? And do you want to know more? Well, get in touch with us with the link in the description below and check out a live demo on the same by our expert. With this, we come to the end of this video. We shall be back with more videos. Till then, you take care and keep brewing new ideas. Thank you.